The alphabet. Let's learn three more letter sounds. The sound for the letter V is V. V. The sound for the letter W is W. W. The sound for the letter X is X. X. Let's have the exercise. What is the beginning sound of the word van? Van. What is the beginning sound of the word wax? Wax. What is the beginning sound of the word xylophone? Xylophone. What is the beginning sound for the word X-ray? X-ray. What is the beginning sound for the word violin? Violin. What is the beginning sound for the word whale? Whale. What is the beginning sound for the word vase? Vase. What is the beginning sound for the word water? Water. What is the beginning sound for the word whistle? Whistle. And what is the beginning sound of the word volcano? Volcano.